Alright, so I got Taco Tuesday. Damn, I was trying to avoid that falling apart. I got steak taco. They put the guacamole on it. Show you guys. That was, if I would have known they were gonna put it on it, I would have told them to put it on the side. Either way, let's take a bite. Super good. Let me see if I could put some hot sauce on it. You know what? That's what I'll do. I'll dip it. Definitely I'm gonna dip it. Yo, it's raining right now. I don't know if you guys can hear. I love the rain. Plus, my garden, my plants in my garden is getting some water. You dig? Alright. So I just put some hot sauce on it. Let's see how hot it is, because I didn't even try. And have never had their hot sauce. Bro. Dog. That's just spicy as hell. Yo, my mouth is low-key on fire right now, dog. Jesus. Kind of want some more. I'm digging it. Let's put on some more. Damn, my mouth's on fire. So like I said, I got Taco Tuesday. Check it out. Just put some hot sauce on it. Let's take another bite. Super good.